How to fix social button not showing on TikTok. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix social button not showing on your screen problem. Tap on the profile icon. Tap on the profile which is on the rightest side of your down bar. When you tap on your profile, you will see an option like this. So there will be a button on your TikTok right there, but if you don't see it, then you can just solve this problem by doing these steps. So the very first thing you can do is go on the Google Play Store and see if the TikTok is updated to the latest version of or not. Because if your TikTok is not updated to the latest version, then also you cannot see the social button on your TikTok. Just go on the top search bar and search for TikTok right there and see if there is any update. So there is not any update option available in my TikTok. And the next option what I can do is go on the top right side, 3 vertical lines given. Tap on this, just tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down up until you see the option of report a problem. Tap on report a problem, and then you can simply report the problem that your social button is not being shown on the TikTok and report it. After you report it, the TikTok will send you feedback on about 48 hours, or it might take shorter than that or longer than that depending on what your problem is. So it will surely give you feedback once it analyzes and views it, and just like that your problem might be solved and there is no any other options you can do. So do follow these steps and see if it works or not. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in the comment section below.